Hey traders, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you all had a nice weekend. After a nice and short break, I'm really tired after a long drive. Literally just got home like an hour ago. Just wanted to give you a quick update to you guys for commodity market, for nat gas, coal and crude oil. So let's quickly start with our analysis with natural gas. So what do we have right here? As expected, we had a nice fall out of this nice engulfing candle as we were expecting, and we got a nice profit till here. So now what to expect? Of course, guys, I won't be entering a buy trade. So now what do we have? We have this little 4 hours candles right here. One, two, three, four, five candles. And we do have a bearish pressure, as you can see, this engulfing candle. This could be a silence before a storm. With experience, I'm telling that once I see this type of moves with these small little candles, 4 hour candles, I expect a good breakout after that. Anytime after that, it can have a good push down in between our zone, which is the green zone, and from where I will look for good buying reason to enter. Of course, if we do not get any buying reason to enter, if we have a good break and close below this zone, then we will look for the next zone below, which I will update you accordingly. So at this point, I won't be entering any trade until we are in this zone. I'm not selling, I'm not buying. We can also have a breakout above that, so be careful here and do not just take my word on it. Do not just enter sell trades because we are in a selling pressure. So just do not take a sell trades. Like I said, I always enter with a good selling reason. I won't be entering at this point. Just wait for the market to hit this zone, which is not really far from where I will look for a good entry reason, as in golfers, or a double bottom entry reason, and which I will update you as usual. And as you can see on daily time frame, we had this nice 382 candle with a good bearish pressure. That is why I'm still expecting a market to push down. Right here, similar situation. On Wanda, we have this little 4 hour candles right here, and this is looking at that. We can expect a breakout below or maybe above, but looking at this bearish pressure after a nice take profit hit till here, I'm expecting market to hit this green zone, which is 6.339. That goes down to 5.877, from where I will look for engulfers or double bottom trades. We can also get pin bar, as you can see. We got this nice pin bar inverted hammer 382 candle. After that, the market falls straight down, which is bearish signal. So looking at this bearish pressure, I still expect market to hit this green zone. We can expect a push down, an impulsive move any time. So be cautious here. Do not enter any trade until you get a good reason to enter, which I will update you as usual. Okay, let's check gold here. Gold is also moving really slow. As you can see, we are now in this zone, buying zone. If we have a good engulfing candle, a reason to enter a buy trade, I will enter buy accordingly. As you can see, we have a double bottom action on gold right here, still intact. So on a daily time frame, that is why I won't be entering any sell trades until we are completely broken below this gray zone, or we are completely broken below this zone. And if we have a good bearish pressure, I will take sell trades till this gray zone. So gold is not bearish. I'll be still looking for a buying entry reason for gold. So keep an eye there. Okay, crude oil. What do we have? Crude oil has now fallen directly in our major level of support as expected, and the market is now at in this area. So at this point, this is not what I call an engulfing candle. For this strategy, I've traded from support and resistance. I want it to be completely close above the previous red candle, which it didn't. So at this point, we can either expect a push down, another push down, and then we get an engulfing candle. With that, we can also get a double bottom completion. And once we have this pattern, I will take my long trade. Oil is now in a buying zone. At this point, I will look for buying entry reason. Once we have a good buying entry reason from here, of course, if we don't have any buying reason to enter, and if he breaks below that, then I will look for a sell entry reason from here to take my short trades. And if you have seen my video where I show how to trade support and resistance, then it will help you to understand how I take entries using the support and resistance once we are broken below or above these levels. So that's all for commodity market, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.